This is a full guide on how to clean a cat litter box. Cats are great pets, but keeping their litter boxes clean is an important part of being a caring pet owner. In addition to keeping your cat healthy and happy, a clean litter box also makes your home cleaner for both you and your cat. This video will tell you everything you need to know to clean a cat litter box properly. Things you'll need: 1. Good for cats. Cat litter. Pick a good litter that is safe for cats, mixes well, and keeps smells under control. There are different kinds such as clay-based, silica gel, and natural or recyclable ones. 2. Litter scoop. To get rid of dirty litter and clumps quickly, you will need a litter scoop with small holes or spaces. 3. Liners for litter boxes. Using a cover is not required, but it can make cleaning easier and cut down on the number of times you have to scrub the box. Trash bags. Keep trash bags on hand to get rid of used litter. 5. Mild detergent or pet-safe cleaner. A mild detergent or pet-safe cleaner can be used to clean the litter box deeply once in a while. How to clean. 1. Daily scooping. At least once a day, scoop the litter box to get rid of waste and clumps. Throw away the trash in a bag that can't be opened. 2. Replace soiled litter. Make sure to keep adding new litter on a regular basis to keep the area clean and odor-free. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions on how often to change the litter. 3. Cleaning once a week. Once a week, empty the litter box completely. Use the litter scoop to get rid of any clumps that are still stuck to the box. Use warm water and gentle soap to clean the litter box. Wait until the box is completely dry before adding new litter. 4. Litter liner tips. If you use a liner, make sure to change it often, especially if it's torn or holesy. Wipe down the liner every time you change the litter. 5. Deep cleaning. To clean the litter box more thoroughly, empty it all the way and scrub it with a cleaner that is safe for pets. Before putting in new litter, wash the box well and let it dry. Keep to a regular schedule. Make cleaning the litter box a regular habit to keep it fresh and free of smells for your cat. 7. Watch how your cat acts. Pay attention to how your cat acts and how it uses the litter box. If your pet's behavior changes, it could mean that they are sick and need to see a vet. What health issues should I pay attention to? When it comes to keeping your cat healthy, when it comes to the litter box, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Pay close attention to these important points. 1. How clean the litter box is. Not cleaning the litter box regularly can lead to a number of health problems. Cats are more likely to use the litter box if it is clean. If the box is dirty, the cat may get stressed out and not use it at all. Kitty type. Some cats might not like some kinds of litter. If you see that your cat is acting differently, like avoiding the litter box or cleaning itself too much, you might want to try a different type of litter to see if that helps. Clumping litter and the health of your lungs. Many people like clumping litter because it's easy to use, but some cats, especially babies, may eat it when they groom themselves. Having stomach problems can happen because of this. If your kitten or cat likes to eat litter, you might want to use a type that doesn't clump. 4. Controlling smells. It's important to keep the litter box clean, but don't use deodorizers or cleaners with strong scents. Cats can smell things very well, and strong smells might make them not want to use the litter box. 5. Keeping an eye on waste. Keeping an eye on your cat's waste can tell you a lot about their health. If the color, consistency, or frequency of your pee and feces change, it could mean that you have a health problem. Talk to your doctor if you notice anything that doesn't seem right. 6. Where to put the litter box. Make sure the litter box is somewhere quiet and easy to get to. Cats like to use the litter box in private, so don't put it in a busy area or near loud machines. Air multiple litter boxes. If you have more than one cat, make sure there are enough litter boxes, so they don't fight over who gets to use them. As a general rule, each cat should have one box plus one more. 8. Checkups with the vet on a regular basis. Schedule regular checkups with the vet to keep an eye on your cat's health. Talk to your vet if you are worried about your cat's litter box habits, changes in behavior, or signs that it is hurting. 9. Controlling parasites. Make sure your cat gets dewormed and treated for parasites on a regular basis, since some parasites can be spread through feces. It is very important to do this if your cat can go outside. 10. Food and water. Make sure your cat has a healthy food and fresh water available. Good nutrition is important for all parts of your health, including your urinary system. By keeping these things in mind and making sure the litter box is clean and the right temperature and humidity, you can help your cat's general health and catch any health problems early. If you ever have concerns about your cat's health, don't be afraid to talk to your vet. They can give you personalized information and help. On a health level, what should I pay attention to? Keeping the litter box clean is important for your cat's health, but it's also important to think about how it might affect your health. Pay close attention to these important points. 1. Good hygiene habits. After cleaning the litter box, you should always wash your hands well with soap and water. By doing this easy thing, you can help keep bacteria and parasites from spreading from cat waste to people. 2. Women who are pregnant. If at all possible, pregnant women should stay away from cat litter because it can carry a disease called Toxoplasma gondii. Toxoplasmosis is an illness that this parasite can cause that can be bad for an unborn child. A pregnant woman who has to clean the litter box should put on gloves and wash her hands well afterward. 3. Having allergies. Cat hair or cat litter dust may cause allergies in some people. If you or someone in your family has allergies, you might want to use unscented or low-dust cat litter. And make sure the area around the litter box has good airflow. 4. If you have asthma, be careful when cleaning the litter box, because the dust from some types of litter can make your breathing worse. Using a litter that doesn't have dust or has very little dust may help lower the chance of asthma getting worse. 5. Diseases spread by animals. Some zoonotic diseases that can be passed from animals to people, can be found in cat poop, but the chance of getting them is low. Good cleanliness, like washing your hands often and keeping the litter box clean, lowers the chance of getting sick. 6. Where to put the litter box. Put the litter box somewhere with good airflow to keep dust and smells from spreading. Do not put the litter box in a place where people eat or make food all the time. 7. Getting rid of trash. Put used litter and other trash in sealed bags and throw them away the right way to stop the spread of smells and possible germs. Empty the trash can often and keep your home clean in general. A. Protective clothing. If you clean the litter box and have a weak immune system or are very worried about hygiene, you might want to wear disposable gloves and a mask. Regular veterinary checkups for the cat. Getting your cat. Regular veterinary checkups keeps it healthy and lowers the risk of disease spreading to people. If you remember these things and practice good cleanliness, you can enjoy having your cat around without putting your health at risk. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, you should talk to a doctor or nurse to get personalized help. It's important to clean your cat's litter box well and often so that your home stays healthy and comfortable for both you and your cat. By doing these things and sticking to your cleaning schedule, you can make sure that your cat lives in a clean and comfy space that is good for their health. We hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Hope to meet again with new content.